Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you 3 easy ways to check your data or credit balance on a Lebara SIM in 2025. First, the fastest method, just dial star hash 1345 hash and then press the call button to see your balance on screen. This will show the balance instantly. Second, you can call 5588 to listen to your balance. It's an automated voice service and it works on any device. Finally, if you prefer checking online, head to My Lebara account and log into your account online or via the app. If your balance doesn't update right after a top up, don't worry, it can take a few minutes. To recap, I will say again, dial star hash 1345 hash or else dial 5588 or else log into your account via app or the online. And that's it. This is 3 ways how you can check your balance of Lebara SIM. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe for more quick mobile tips.